I'm guessing you're talking about the Galaxy Beam, a smartphone that Samsung made that had a built-in projector at the top of the phone.
Okay, now that is cool.
If this video gets to 1 million likes, well, okay, so that video didn't quite reach 1 million likes, but we got 1900, which is pretty close. So let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Beam. It's kind of funny that I've been reviewing tech online for almost 2 years now, and I still haven't had the pleasure of owning a Samsung phone yet. So will this convince me to switch? Let's find out. So this phone is from 2012, and it's loosely based on the Galaxy S2. And as I unbox this phone, let me just tell you that all the stories about old Samsungs having terrible build quality really kind of is true, because this box just feels incredibly cheap and nasty. And here is the phone. Let's open it up, and yikes, it feels just as bad. Look at how flimsy that is. It's just light, it's plasticky, and worst of all, yellow. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have a fast charger. I think this might be one of the first fast chargers ever. We've got headphones, we've got a micro USB cable, and we also have a battery. Let's pop the battery in and see if it's got any charge at all. Let's remove the screen protector and turn it on. Oh my god, it turns on. The Galaxy Beam has a 4-inch display, a 1 GHz dual-core processor, and a whopping 8 GB of storage, and it runs Android 2.3 Gingerbread. Let's see if we can unlock the phone. Gosh, that was laggy. Okay, so now let's have a little play, and as we can see, Gingerbread still is very similar to the Android that we see today. It's very much from the period of when Android was a bit of a design mess, but I can see from just my quick little use of it why some people liked it at the time. But do you guys want to see how the projector is like? Make sure that you're following to see my very next video.